Alright, so welcome back. Here is some Katan shoulder armor that I have done. This is the Beskar paint job. Same paint that they use on the Mandalorian TV show. Turned out really cool, really nice shine to it. And then here is the Night Owl shoulder armor. This is all hand painted. Then it has weathering on it. Both of these, this is a gloss clear coat and this has a matte clear coat. Really nice piece of armor. When I was really looking at photos, this is very screen accurate to that. I want to show another one that I sell. This is from a different file creator, and this was the first ones I was doing, and I still sell these. All this stuff is made to order. It takes 2 to 3 weeks to have it done, and this was one that I first did, and you can tell it's not really nice, but you can see that it's a lot thinner. It's not thick. And a lot of people actually put shoulder padding to get the kind of stick out. When you look at this, this is way more thicker in size. And all this stuff I can do custom sizing. Bigger, smaller, the price will change with what I'm doing, but I can tailor it to what size person you are. And this was all printed in one shot. Then this is printed, and then this is resin printed, the Mythosaur logo. And when you look at it, they look pretty close in detail from one that's resin printed than to one that is printed one whole shot. I actually think this looks cooler. That's just my opinion. This was a different paint that I used with this, so that's why the coloring looks different. And I want to share this, and also too, I will be selling the Night Owl, but these versions too, all this I will sell it where it's a raw print or where it's painted, so if you want to paint it yourself. But then also too, I'll have it where these will be both option where it's Night Owl on both sides if you don't want to be the newest version of Katan, or you want to make a custom Mandalorian cosplay, or if you're being Koska Reeves, then you have the option to have it is that. This armor has another piece, but that doesn't have the detail where most people I've seen it use this files, just take a sticker and do this. Then this files had it where it's all raised. So that's actually, if you can tell in there, it's all raised up. So I hand painted into that. And then the other one you would have to either freehand coming up with something like that, which would be really hard, or I've seen people where they put a sticker, and that's how you have the option to do it. If you wanted the matching set of this, then I really like this one, is it gave a really better option with that. Then this, like similar to how the Sabine one was, and that was a stencil where I painted that not by hand. If you've seen that video or what I have on there, all this is for sale at 3dbeowulf.com. Just wanted to share this. If you're into this kind of stuff or want to build a cosplay, I am your shop. Also, what I've seen in past videos, a lot of stuff I can do, it's not on the website. So if you're looking for something custom made, just send me a message at 3dbeowulf.com and I can give you a quote if I can do it, or what the quote would be for a custom work. I do that all the time. There's a lot that I work on, and then there's only so much I can get on the website before it gets sold. So that's when I figured to share these options, and it just turned out really cool. I really like how this setup looks. I like the stuff where it looks weathered, especially with this. This, I didn't really want to do any weathering on it because this Beskar paint costs a lot of money, and I'll let somebody decide how they want to. It's a lot of work to get this to have a really, it's like a glass, it's like looking in a mirror. I can see my reflection perfectly, and when you do that hard of work to make something look that good, you just don't want to screw it up and start weathering it, and then it loses the shine, and then somebody doesn't want it because they don't think it's shiny enough. So I just leave always the Beskar painted stuff, I leave it alone. But check it out, 3dbeowulf.com. This is the way.